Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today got some new parts for the 2021 Ram TRX. They're sitting right over here, so figured I'd just do a quick unboxing video. So what we're going to be unboxing today is the Foutz Motorsports Leveling Kit for the Ram TRX. These are the front spring perch collars that are obviously going to be leveling out the front of our Ram TRX over here. This is not going to be an install video. This is just going to be a quick unboxing video so you guys can see exactly what comes in this kit and what exactly you're paying for. So not going to be a lot of talking, not an install video like I just said. We're just going to be unboxing it. So let's go ahead, dive in and unbox it. So yeah, like I just mentioned, this is you know, the Foutz Motorsports Leveling Kit. It just comes in, you know, standard little box. There's not too much weight to it, pretty light box. Let's go ahead, get this thing open. So, packaged in there, got some packing paper, and then, all right, there's really not much to it. That's it. These are the only things inside the kit there. 1 and 2, the rest of the box is empty. It sucks, can't even throw a decal in there. All right, whatever. So let's go ahead, unwrap this and see exactly what we're working with. There's one. There's number 2. And that's all that comes in the kit, guys, just like that. So yeah, guys, like I was just mentioning, this is exactly what comes in the kit. There's no instructions, there's no decals, there's no supermodels hiding in there or anything like that. This is legit all you get. And you know, it's not a big deal because I believe the instructions are on the website, but I guess I'm old school where I would have liked at least some paper instructions in there. And come on, man, give us a decal so I can throw it on my workbench, but that's not a big deal. So again, these are spring perch collars, and they are for the front of the truck. So these right here are gonna get down installed, like right down there, just like so, where this piece right here goes over the alignment little area for the actual suspension. So your spring is gonna be sitting right on top in here, just kind of set in there, exactly like a perch collar. And then that is gonna be adding some preload onto the spring, thus raising the front up a little bit. Now, I have been doing a little bit more research, and I wish I would have known this when I went ahead and ordered this kit, but it seems like I'm going to be ordering the rear spacers as well for the rear of the suspension, because again, these are just for the front. And I've seen a few people post some pictures of after installing this thing, and it looks like the front is sitting way higher than the back, and it almost looks like it's squatted. So I'm not a huge fan of that look. I was really going for a complete you know, leveled look, hence why I got a leveling kit. So seems like I'm going to be investing in the rear spacers now as well, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, guys, quick video today. Just wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys for the next mod on the TRX, and have another box up there that I'll be unboxing in the next video. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. If you like this video, you like the TRX, you like modding trucks, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below, hit that like button on this video. Those are 2 things I always really appreciate from you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.